there are two options in which you can import materials. It is either you click this position that you are looking at import, or you enter the shortcut key, which is Ctrl I, to import your materials. So let's bring in our materials. Tap on this position, then you can go to your, this is for you to locate where the materials is, why this displays the materials. So if I click on download, I will be able to have access to everything that I download under download. But in my own case, I put everything on my desktop. So I'll click on desktop, then I'll locate the file I want to use for this tutorial. So I've named it Capcut Beginners Guide. So I'll tap on it. You can import the whole folder, that is everything like this, or you click open and select some file in it. So let's take the whole file for this tutorial. So you click on this place, then tap on it again, then import the folder. Everything will come into this position. So if you have done this and you want to import another materials again, you can click this import to get it inside, or you make use of the shortcut key, which is Ctrl I. Once you click on Ctrl I, the window will pop up. Now let's locate another clip that is not inside this folder and bring it inside. So I'll click on this image, and you click on open. You have a folder here. So this contains a folder, while this is just an image on its own. You can also drag this one inside this place to make it part of the folder, and you can also bring it out of the folder again by just click and drag and drop it in this place. So this is how to import materials to Capcut Windows software.